Friends, we are going to unbox BR Gold Detector's Gold Step product, which we have just received. This product is mainly used for long range gold search and for underground system. It works as both as long range detector as well as the underground metal detector. You get a warranty card like this and a user manual. So we will check step by step all the items that are available first, then we will learn how to connect this thing. This is the warranty card with the serial number and the model of the product. Date of invoice, whenever we are handovering the product to the customer, we'll put. So we are the distributor, so we have put our stamp here. This is the manufacturer stamp. Okay. This is the user manual. So what all comes with this, also it mentioned in this book. Okay, so we have got multiple sensors: magnetometer sensor, power depth sensor. There is a wireless ground probe for detecting, and you have got this main unit, a home charger, an extra battery kit, a headset, a car charger, and this is already inbuilt in the box. In the control panel also it is installed. So this is the USB cable. These are all the accessories that basically you get. So now we'll connect one by one all the products and see how it works. So this is the main control unit of Gold Step. This is the wireless sensor which will actually work with this wireless probe. Okay, so